Alright, we just got to Detailers of Naples.
What's up, guys?
Hey,
Welcome.
hey. Thank you for having us back. Very well.
How we doing? I'm Ryan with Detailers of Naples. Come check out the Lucid.
Yeah, alright, let's see what it looks like.
Awfully beautiful green underneath the lights. Yeah. You matched it on purpose. Yeah, you did. We did that as the whole part of the prep process. So there it is. That's the clip. It's a scrap, but that's the thickness. It's wild. I know. Pretty cool.
That's really strong.
Yeah, that's got a good feel to it.
I mean, I can't. I've never.
You
felt
can't even
plastic.
move it, like.
Yeah. That's why you get it.
Yeah. So how thick would you say that is?
It's 8 mil.
8 mil.
Looks like the hood is done, mostly.
Yep, it's just not sealed up.
Right.
Yep.
So y'all are
it's
getting a good move on. I wasn't expecting it this fast.
Yeah, the key thing too is curing process. It's going to sit out in the sun, and then it tightens up. You're going to see some moisture bubbles and stuff like that for about a couple weeks while it all cures out.
Is it okay to just take it home and park it outside all the time? Okay.
Yeah, and it's not required. That would just speed the process up because I schedule you for a 2-week inspection anyways.
Oh, okay.
For you to come back, sit in the massage chair, watch TV, and we kind of just go over the front of the car and where the film is just to make sure it all looks good. That 2-week period is like a good grace where if there's something we need to address, we can do it without.
You'll see it in that time, yeah. Yeah, I can tell. It probably looks cleaner than when we picked it up. The tires, I couldn't get some of the stuff off the tires.
And believe it or not, too, there's stuff that you will see in here, and then you won't see it outside, and vice versa. Sometimes the car looks perfect
amazing in here.
You go out in a natural light, and you find something.
Yep.
So it's both. It goes both ways.
So, did you find anything?
Not that if they didn't come and grab me to show me, then everything looks good. Yeah. Yeah, no, you wouldn't. If it was getting a full, like if we go through a full ceramic coating, paint correction, everything like that on an older car, you would check for depths of paint and stuff like that. But your car hasn't been to a body shop. None of that. This is a new car, so there's no need really for that. What I see on new cars, orange peel, stuff like that, maybe a possible drip line of some paint or something, but the depth of the paint you don't really have to worry about on a new car.
I looked for that stuff and I didn't see anything.
Good.
I mean, even just looking from the side right here, it's just so smooth, isn't it?
And look at how clear the gray is now.
I knew I kind of left it dirty for y'all. I'm sorry.
That's what you're supposed to do.
I was hoping some of this would wash off.
That's missing. That's a little too far gone. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Somebody moved that curb in front of you.
They sure did, and you know, I drove that road all the time, and it just wasn't there. Yeah, this is cool. So yeah, first time getting PPF for me on any car. And then, you know, I did have a question.
Not sealed up yet.
The windshield, does that go from all the way from the bottom, like all the way up to this seam line?
It could be there, it could be here. It's somewhere in this range.
Okay, so it's up to the pattern.
It's the largest that roll comes.
Right.
And, yeah.
Yeah, because that's already like so huge and so wide. I could see that being pretty difficult.
Same as window tint. It only comes in a largest roll. You know what I mean? So We don't even, like a Cybertruck windshield, we don't even carry that size roll in stock.
Wow.
We wait to, it's a order.
As a
by
custom order? Wow.
Yep.
I had no idea. And then I guess window tint is actually probably last because I think that's pretty easy, especially in this one.
It'll go into the tint bay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think y'all don't really have to do anything for the frameless windows, right?
Yeah, I mean it's all laser cut, just like your PPF is. So it knows the size.
Just
of
fits
the
right
window.
in there and makes it easy for y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks so clean.
Can you show us the laser machine?
It's right here. That's hooked to that computer. So this could be your pattern right here. Let's see. Yeah, this is your car. That's your fender flares. Right? So basically you have an outline of how large that roll of film is, and you fit the pieces on here, and that's it. That's the
Spits it out and cuts it up right here.
That's the name of it.
This is unicorns.
Yeah, I don't know where they come up with these names, but that's the name. This one was a really cool project. We did half the Cybertruck, the lower half was this, and the upper half was black. It was a really cool two-tone.
And see,
This outside is just wicked.
I would put that whole color on the Bolt.
On the board?
Which one?
Mm-hmm. The white car.
Yeah, which one? This one?
Oh, yeah, the blue
This
one.
one, yeah.
This looks amazing, and it's
Well-
it's got a gold.
It's gold.
It's like a blue, but with a gold undertone. I've never seen a color
Look
like
at this
that.
one, purple, green.
I mean, I like them all. This looks like Porsche color to me. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what that called. We changed the color of a Lotus. The client bought a Lotus, and it was like a brownish tan color, and we changed it to red.
Wow.
Why would you change the white from the Bolt?
Just because it's such a weird shaped car that when you put a bright color on it, it looks fun.
Well, if you did something wild like that, they'd look good next to each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did have a question. I want to name my car, and I didn't know if y'all made like decals or stickers or know somebody who does that kind of thing.
So this is where all the paint correction, polishing, compound, all that good stuff. We do our best to keep everything like that on this side of the building because film goes on over there. Don't want anything in the air.
The dirt, dust, and
debris in between the film. And
Gotcha.
you're carrying a very large sticker through the air when it comes down to it. So a lot of the grunt work is over here.
Is it all right if I go that way?
Yeah.
And I have a question for you that I was thinking about before we decided on the PPF. Do you always, well, I know you're a PPF shop, but do you always recommend PPF or sometimes take the rock chip and get the paint corrected later? Have you heard anything from customers like that?
I mean, in regards to, you're never going to find that body shop that does a perfect match.
Right.
Your bumpers come off, you're breaking clips. If I can avoid that at all costs, then I'm going to do it.
Yeah, that makes that.
Yeah.
And like
So-
even the Bolt, it's not made anymore. So that model, you're not going to have parts for very long. So
Yeah, I'm a firm believer in the film like I have on my truck, 4 years old, no rock chips. I love it. So
yeah, that's good. I like
now,
that.
film's not for everybody. Some people just don't care.
Right.
Right? So they would rather have a ceramic coating because that's going to keep the car clean and you won't have to wash it as often. So maybe they go that route and they don't care that the front end is. So it's really the client.
Right.
And then some of these paints now with all the flake and your paint is a lot different than the paint on a Tahoe. So good luck trying to match that. And you not seeing anything. So that too. The perfect example. This is a second owner. The second owner. She just bought this car, pre-owned. It's got a few rock chips in the front. So we're putting the film on it though.
Right.
We're going to touch
Right
up
over
those.
the rock chip?
Yep, we're going to touch them up and do the best we can, but she just doesn't want it getting worse.
Right.
The previous owner did not, and it's 2023, so
And this is wow. That's,
brand spanking new.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, it has a mind of its own sometimes.
Taking the PPF off that car. Do you want to see how that goes? That might
Sure.
be- let me just-
I don't. Oh, you're gonna wrap it black? Wow. See, I could never imagine. It's such a beautiful shade of red. Oh, hello.
That's Nico. He's a little lost.
Inside the door jams, you can't remove that, so it's going to stay red, and the car's going to be black.
With
But
little red
unfortunately,
accents.
You open the door. And
Huh, that's
you're
cool
gonna-
though. All right. Now my only question is, should we just have them detail it and finish off the water spots while it's here? Because I don't know if I can get those off myself without like really scrubbing it for an
I tell
hour.
you what, we'll have to, being that what our schedule is now,
You're all backed up.
a little bit, yeah. So that would kind of, especially with trying to finish jobs before Thanksgiving break. So I'm gonna schedule a 2-week inspection with you on the film.
Okay.
So what we could schedule then is for you just to leave it
And
for a
see if
couple
it,
days.
because I'm gonna give it a wash, see how bad it is, what I can get off, and then we'll probably maybe do a
Sure.
second
And
detail.
it's not bad. Water spot removal may take care of it. We may not have to go as in depth as polishing, so we'll know
Okay.
if we get started on it. But
Yeah,
yeah,
'cause-
we can do the PPF inspection in 2 weeks, so then you'll know by then if you see a finger pop up, all normal stuff. You never know when the car leaves. You may not see anything, but in 2 weeks is a good grace time where we can catch it and fix it. So, and then we'll just do that where you can leave it for
Yeah.
the detailed water
And
spot
by that
removal.
time, we'll know whether we're going to get the garage.
Right.
Yeah, true.
No sense doing it if it's going to
If
be
it's
Right.
gonna happen again. You're
the
right.
next night.
Yeah. You know, even if they say no, just get the code for the garage. If they're not there, it doesn't hurt them. Right?
Thank you so much. I think it looks pretty good.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, and sorry about my little. They had the carpets all nice and striped.
Oh,
I moved
no
it just now,
worries.
and I put a little. foot in
Don't
there.
even worry about that. Film.
Mirrors. These little areas here are like moisture, so it needs some sun time to be its best friend. Film does not go here.
Okay.
No pattern for it, and it wouldn't stick very well either.
Okay.
It's a completely different surface. Than,
Yeah.
than
It's like, yeah, I don't even know what the material is.
Yeah, but along with like when we did Mike's, that didn't get it. Neither did the sides when we did the full car. It didn't get it either.
So this rim did, this outer place got it. Okay.
Sure does. Yep.
Now, I was wondering, should I do that on the back as well in the wheel well? Or is that an area that's not such a concern?
So like if it's stuck out, I'd say 100%. But it really
It's pretty
doesn't.
flush,
It's
yeah.
pretty flush. You know, you're turning a lot here and stuff, so you could catch maybe as you're driving sideways a rogue
Right.
stone or rock.
I've
or
gotten
something.
some tree marks on my other car before, going down a dirt road, you know?
Yep, not fun.
When I was working on the dirt road.
I mean, at the end of the day, this vehicle, X's, anything that has a hole you know, front end painted like this, you got the very the high impact area covered. So
I can't say that I can see that it's there, but
No, I can't tell. I cannot tell it's
believe me?
on the front. Yeah, they just couldn't tell us anything.
yeah, so like, you know, you can't wrap a basketball, so there's little relief cuts like right here. You know, when it comes right to the edge of the corner, it's got to have a spot to wrap around. You can feel a little bit of the film here if you put your finger, and that's about it. But
yeah.
we wrap inside, tuck under, all that good stuff. A lot of places back before plotters were popular, and you would expand the pattern, they would stop here. It would be like a sticker, and then you would see that, right? Oh, it's just horrible. It's still, I see bad installs sometimes where that is still doing that. Yeah.
I used to bind books. You have the folding over the corners
Okay.
and stuff.
Yeah.
It's exactly
It's the same.
thing.
Same.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. It's a trick to it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, we'll see you in 2 weeks.
Yes. Yeah. Do you know your schedule by chance for 2 weeks from now?
It's world.
Okay. So I'll just call you.
Wait,
We
no?
planned it, or do you plan it? Because we're flexible. So if you just want to give us a call or whatever.
Yep. I'll look
Even
at
the
it.
text say it's already.
Easy. Will do.
All right.
Sounds like a
Will it
plan.
only take 1 day to do that?
Overnight. Yeah. Water spot removal takes a
So
little bit
we'll
longer.
drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then if we have to polish it and stuff, you can kind of just keep me posted after how it acts when you do your wash and stuff.
Okay.
Even though it did
Yeah, I'll give it-
I mean, it did get washed and clay barred before it came in, but
Should I give it
You know.
2 days before I wash it? I can just do the doors and leave the PPF alone?
yeah, the PPF's fine. I would, you know, so like for example with my truck having front end, I did have a low pressure washer that I washed my car with. When I get towards the film, I just stand back a little bit.
Yeah.
Just not right on top
Right.
of it.
I just use a hose and a nice clean rag.
That's it. So, I mean, you're good. You can wash this thing this weekend if you wanted to.
Okay.
But yeah, I noticed just pulling it around, like these little bubbles and stuff, nothing to be alarmed about.
Oh, yeah.
There's a few in here. Window tint just needs to cure. Yeah. It's still fresh. Heck yeah.
All right. I think I had one more question, but I cannot remember it.
You know where we're
Nothing
at.
urgent. Yeah. We'll be back.
You got your number.
Yes, you do. No, I'm excited for you guys. You're driving with a peace of mind now.
Thanks again.
All right.
Yeah,
See you soon.
No problem.